channel. Hope you are all doing well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a corset back with queen hand neckline. I'm going to use this paper to demonstrate to you how to cut the back part of it. I'm going to mark 1 inch for zipper allowance. So I'm going to mark 1 inch for zipper allowance. Then you mark a straight line. We are going to take our shoulder line. So the shoulder line is 8 inches. So you are going to place your tape measure here. Mark 8 inches. After marking 8 inches, then you come here. You mark the neck width of 3 inches. After doing that, then you come down here, you mark 1 inch. Then you connect it to the neck width of 3 inches. Now you mark the vertical measurement. Sorry, I'm supposed to mark that first. So I'm going to mark my chest line of 9 inches. We are only going to mark 3 measurements here. The bust point of 11 inches, then the half length or the waist, so that's 16 and a half inches for the half length. I'm going to mark straight line across it. For you to understand what I'm doing, that's why I drew a line here. The 9 inches for the chest line. After doing that, you have to mark a straight line. So that will be your armhole. The next thing is to look for the midpoint of armhole. Hold it. That's the midpoint. After doing that, let me label it. This is the chest line, point, and this is the half length. Now the next thing is to mark the bust measurement at the chest line. So the bust measurement is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. I'm going to mark your 9.5 this way. Now we are going to connect the armhole line. After doing that, we are going to mark your bust span. That's point to point. So you are going to mark 4 inch all through. Then you make a straight line. Then you mark half an inch on both sides. Then you mark half an inch here as well. Now you connect it to the chest line. Connect it to the chest line. So after connecting it to the chest, so at the top here, so you are going to mark 2 inches for neck depth, which is here. 2 inches of neck depth. Then you connect it to the neck width of 3 inches. After doing that, you are going to come down by 1 inch. Then you connect it to the chest line. So you can blend it up here. So this will be our yoke. Make sure it's blended here. So that will be our yoke. Remember, we mark half an inch on both sides for the dart. So you are going to mark it here. Bust line, same bust line that we marked there, 9.5 inches. So you are going to mark 9.5 inch here as well. Then you are going to mark 1 inch for the dart. You are going to mark your waistline. The waistline is 39 inches. So 39 divided by 4 is 9.75. So you mark your 9.75 here. You are going to connect the line together. Don't forget to add your sewing allowance. You can add your sewing allowance here. Sewing allowance of 2 inches. Let's use the remaining for the sewing allowance. Though it's not up to 2 inches, but we are going to use what we have for sewing allowance. We are going to mark it here. we are done with back part. It is very simple to cut. You come here, we have 1 inch of shoulder slope, then you divide it, mark half an inch, then you connect it to the neck width. We are done with the back. You can see it is very simple to cut. So if you have not washed the front part of it, I will drop the link below for you to wash it. Let's see to cut it out. We are going to mark 0.5 inch here to eliminate zip bulge. So we are going to make a straight line. Now we are going to cut our back pattern out. Cut the armhole. And you stopped here. Then you cut the yoke out. Then you come to the neck depth. So that will be for the yoke. Cut this out. Then you come here and cut the dart out. The back pattern is ready. You can see it is very simple to cut, so I urge you to cut yours as well. This is the back pattern of how to cut corset with in-hand neckline. I'm going to drop the link below for you to watch the front part of it. You can see the front pattern and the back pattern. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.